So here I am at Frost headquarters, and I've brought with me a very, very ancient piece of kit from my Jenson 541R. Now this is a heater valve. This is obviously beyond repair now, but it's got lots of surface corrosion on the steel face here. We've got this cast sintered monkey metal on the bottom here, which is also broken away, and inside we've got the original valve and everything in there. So this thing is past its best. It's not going to be used again. But I'm here to see the effects of the Aquanife, to see how this ends up looking by the time I've finished doing a job with it. It should be interesting. What I'm looking for is an original OEM finish and no visible damage to the components within here. It's going to be a big ask, but I think I'm about to be impressed. Okay, so I've got my component. I'm going to put it in the cabinet. I've got essentially two little guns here. There's a large blasting one that is here, and that is the one that the foot pedal operates. That's our main one, and then we've just got a little water spray to clean things off afterwards. Clean off the media. Right. In it goes. In I go. I'm taking my time with this because I want a really good finish on it. But still, this is getting through this really, really quickly. And also, there's no stopping due to sand getting blocked in the nozzle and so on and so forth. This is absolutely brilliant stuff. Let's use the light in here again. Okay, so there was that rusted top half, shining, clean, bright metal. In fact, I doubt that whole component ever looked that shiny ever in its entire history. Okay, well, I really find it difficult to clean components in my blasting cabinet that quickly, and this has really showed me a completely different idea, a different way ahead. There's no dust, I'm breathing easily. That's fantastic. That is such a step ahead. If you're using blasting cabinets, sandblasting cabinets, they are the blast that's in the past. Here's a blast from the future for sure. The reason I've had this heater valve from my Jenson knocking about with me for so long is because I've been looking for one for my car. Currently, I've just got my heaters set up with a direct in and out, so there's no controllability on them. It's always warm, but that's all right for me. This is England after all. And but yeah, so I just wanted to have another original, find another original. So it travels with me everywhere, and it's just been an eyesore knocking about that. I can't believe it's actually clean now. Even the spring inside, I can actually see what it's supposed to be like inside and how it's all supposed to go together. Fantastic. That's lovely.